Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set unit in Autodesk 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, open up your 3ds Max, and then at the top you have here Customize. Just click on it and you'll find Units Setup. So just click on it, and then after that you can go out and select the display unit scale right here. You could go out and use metrics for millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. And if you want to use US standard, you'll have the option right here for fractional inches, decimal inches, fractional feet, decimal feet, or feet with fractional inches, or feet with decimal inches. So just go out and select from one of these options. I'm just going to go out and select centimeters right here. And then once that's done, you have custom display unit scale here as well, if you want to use it. Okay, so when you go out and scroll down a bit, you'll find lighting units. Well, you can go out and use international or American, but it's up to you. And once that's done, all you got to do is just click on OK right here, and you're good to go. As you can see, it is now under centimeter. Okay, you have here the parameters, and these ones as well at the bottom. Now, the system versus the display units. So the system units right here dictate actual object size, and display units only change how they are visualized in the viewport. Okay, and that is how you set unit here in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.